Maybe the time was short. Because my last presentation on UTV was 25th December. And like I said, I left UTV peacefully because I told Father before 25th. God is my witness. Me impese major mark basa because my age my didi wo. Me timi call despite papa miniska offer miniska. On share me kwa. What I say, anya me pay no na share me wo. Na me call despite also. You I told Father before, and Father was like, I won't let you go. That's the truth. And I knew, say, man, I've gone through a lot of pain. I've done surgery on this right arm for 4 good times.
4 times?
Yes.
You've done surgery on this?
Yes.
Wow. Can we take a close shot of that? I mean, so now you can't even stretch it.
I can stretch it all.
But is there still pain?
Yeah, there's a lot of pain. I'm going through a lot. And
are you going for another surgery?
Yes, very soon.
So for
and I hope that one will be my last.
For the first time, Nana Mcbrown Ababontin Ababekasa, a kind of fast what would defeat despite media. And so what chim achraman humpa or cum a wabrabo be bringing himself Mcbrown that's in the screen so now all serenity and the nijin of honest and a more face fan. It being himself Mcbrown cried the uni how now so yes is the uncoma on the bulare aquaculture chesse a man who be brave. And na okum aha too much age me so I say when dey kan on media share subscribe my page we name adoma so say na be ya upload baby on sa ebetimi aka wo wa subscribe that so me da se pa nya me share ko so follow channel we fi say ene papa baby wo wa ye dey ebebro Ghana had the edin ba kwa obo a obia enim na na Mcbrown aye household name amofra no kwala obia enim sade na se ya na ye sister Penny edi na woda nam so ma oni ne duafie enedi awode na onam so ekoyi mo nipa makomako aduanan so 47 a eno ene ne mfia na wadi no ebepe penti odi koyi om free prison ho na ye nyina so enim se na na Mcbrown share United Showbiz ase or despite media UTV to be precise na oye ne show no ewo ho a na show no eji din ye pa Ghana ha de do memenda na dwo a na TV bia nka dem na aka UTV pe eni siso amafo ehwe United Showbiz obi nim nia esiye na Mcbrown efi UTV eba despite media as say eho na odi ne dwuma ebra change eba Ghana fo bebe na eba abonten ebe kasa ya na Mcbrown kasa de na onfa na no disem ento dwanas ne NTV bia efi no for the first time after say sister Penny celebrating the birthday no wa call bolare show so ako granted interview what training tia odi fi despite media and no answer na answer na this video no ba no odi kan kire amane hu na okum ene empo accident onya ne operation dodo a waye e won nsa ba ko pe no.
I've gone through a lot of pain. I've done surgery on this right arm for 4 good times.
4 times?
Yes.
You've done surgery on this?
Yes.
Wow. Can we take a close shot of that? I mean, so now you can't even stretch it.
I can stretch it all.
Wow. But is there still pain?
Yeah, there's a lot of pain. I'm going through a lot. And
are you going for another surgery?
Yes, very soon.
So for
and I hope that one will be my last one.
You hope that one will be your last?
It has not been easy.
Yeah. Wow. And all this from the accident?
Yes. The accident was here, all the way to here.
Wow.
Yes, and then they did the surgery here, 1, 2, and then later I was still paining because as I speak, there's metal from here to here.
So you have a metal in there?
Yes, and screws in here. So any little thing and it shifts, it's either it breaks or the screw comes out.
And then you have to go back. So you've done 4 surgeries?
3 in Ghana, 1 in Germany.
And you are going back for the last one, hopefully.
Hopefully that one.
When you see the scar every time, it reminds you of?
It reminds me of life. This is how life is.
Life.
Nothing you can do about it. When there's a situation and didn't kill you, the next thing is to just to heal yourself and move on.
I was saying sister Penny edine yawa of film efa ne nsa ho ne accident okonya ne sunsan so a aba benyama ne nsa ba ko no ho aka ne operation dodo a waye no etu dwawie no e na o chirem for the first time ade odi adam so e ma ofi UTV ene inkitahudi a eda so da ono Father Dixon any despite media ni nyina entem.
And I know, yes, you got into television presentation, you're on UTV and all of that. Why did you have to leave? Did you get a better offer from Media General or Nia TV? Did you say to yourself that, I've got into this crescendo or this level, I want to move on? What was it for you, Nana? For the first time, maybe you wanted to let us into it.
Oh, B.
Yes.
I will say it this way and genuinely.
Please
I
do.
will say it. Me know we Juma. And if I am not feeling good, I would want to move on. But I would want to move peacefully because I know where my vision is. Media general, if I get tired, I will move. It's like that with every human
Were
being.
you tired with Mcbrown's Kitchen and everything, hosting showbiz?
I'm not tired with hosting. I won't be tired.
You were not tired?
No.
But you said you were tired, so you wanted to move on from UT.
What I say I'm tired is where you get in life. It's not the environment and it's not the people.
Okay.
It is me.
Okay.
I have done this. This is the line. My year drew her.
You think
Me here another space. To a high year. Speed no year. And mommy leverage, you know. And mommy okay, but me feel say me na me de me home. And I'm in baby, I'm de me continue. I just want to have another set. I don't know
but
if you understand me.
They could have provided the same set for you with a different feel.
Maybe
still
I am not
Despite
getting
Media.
the right words.
Maybe. Tell us.
I am not getting. Despite Media is still a home.
Right.
From here, if I want to have an interview,
Great.
I can
You
call
go.
Father.
Anytime.
I still speak to Father on your. I will
Good.
tell you.
Good.
We are very good friends.
Thanks for clarifying that.
I still speak to Father. I can call Father and say, Father, we hear promo. Epacho. United Showbiz, me know na building here. Pese me baso. Ebe me wan say Father be can know. Ebe ye me nwanwa. O kan no ameko despite ho. Uni udi ntra. Me da so ne fine. O kan no.
So all those, rumors and things that are there.
Dr. Sapon. To be honest, meko Dr. Sapon ko ansan meko despite. Because yana krofo fix me nim despite me fa ho. E dia asa anase me asa ho na asa me power until me ko kan no.
Okay.
Logistically.
You respect the structures.
Yes, I will. And I know Father will not say no for me to even go to the other side. And I left UTV peacefully.
So why was there the brouhaha and all the things? And sometimes when you post, people will say we are attacking them. When they also post, people feel there's something. How come?
Maybe the time was short because my last presentation on UTV was 25th December. And like I said, I left UTV peacefully because I had told Father before 25th. God is my witness. Me mpese meja mark basa because my age ma me didi wo ho. Me mitimi ko despite papa miniska offer miniska. O hwe me kwa.
Oh.
What you say anya me pay no na na hwe me wo na me call despite also. Oh. Intino I told Father before and Father was like I won't let you go. That's the truth.
Wow.
And I knew say man fa force and kwa ma me nko.
Okay.
What
Did you tell Dr. Sapon, or it was only Father?
It was only Father. Because before United Showbiz, I had Mcbrown's Kitchen, then Father was the one I was dealing with. And what I do is the work, Father is the boss.
That's right. So you respect the structures?
The structures.
Super.
I don't take advantage of my uncle
Your
despite or my friendship. Inti na kwa ite say uko you see despite abe manipulate situation, you know. But anka so move on to ana ite say Father hey nipa nini kind of no. That was not the idea.
Okay.
So since everything UTV, I don't go to despite.
So Father didn't want you to leave.
To go.
And why did you still have to go? That means that you didn't give him that respect, or you thought if you listen some more you'd be, asked to stay, so you didn't want to?
This is it, B.
Tell us.
When Father didn't want me to go, I already had a feeling to go. And this work, we work with feelings. We work with, the energy is the feeling. It's not about the salary, it's not about, Media didn't give me anything special that Despite couldn't have given me. Your feelings.
Okay.
And we feel say, na me person me change my brand, no.
Okay.
So kakra. And you're the bonnie.
Do you have regrets leaving UTV for Media Jaunia?
I don't think I regret anything I do in life because like I said, I think through it and I see the vision. Into me regret it. media e me nije ne say ma build this show na show no da so gina na so na obi tena ho na okasa on to me and onyam no it will come back to me too. We will share.
Do you watch UTV or United
me
Showbiz?
Share, but me who social media.
I who social media, but you don't make it a point to say I'm tuning in.
No crying 19 a man for me show no. Hana answer Saturday.
Oh, so you thought through it that you don't want to have a conflict of
Media General gave me freedom to do what I want.
To pitch it head to head, you could have done that.
No, man can chasing.
No, I'm saying that you could have done that at the same time.
Yes. Media General told me that this is a platform we are giving you. What can you bring on board? Then I took my ideas to them. And then we all sat down. They said, okay, we have this time, we have this time, we have this time, we have this time. Choose. Which one we're going to pick? I could have chosen Saturday because no matter what, I had time to do that. That one. I said, no. My show is different, so I want people to relax and take me through give them new energy to the new week.
Right.
So I want a Sunday. Besides, Saturdays are too busy for me. I needed my Saturday too. Okay. I missed a lot of VGMs. I missed a lot of events. I missed it all because of Saturday.
Hosting Saturday shows.
Do you know I was supposed to be presenting Global Citizen?
Oh, really? So you were the original MC for Global Citizen?
You
missed it because of United Show, because you were on air around that time. This is news for us.
Yes.
So you were the original MC for Global Citizens that happened in 2022 in Ghana at the Independence Square.
I was part of the Ghanaian
MCs. Oh.
So one of them took my role. Which I
okay.
Those are all the things put together that.
And you thought the Saturday should be for me. Is it also about family as well?
Yes, because like I said, funerals, programs, parties, other stuff that I missed a lot. Or most of the time I'm not there.
Right.
And because I'm on TV, they'll forgive me. But truthfully, I also sometimes want to be there.
You want to be there. So you also want to be at the events, the Ghana Music Awards, the Emmy Awards, Global Citizens, like you mentioned, and all of that. And you're right. Weddings, funerals.
Yes.
Oh, a lot of social programs happen on Saturday.
And also, I had tasks from people. When I was at UTV, they were like, Nana, we want to come on your show. We want to, but I realized that show was not like built for that kind of.
So you changed the concept. You created the Onia showbiz.
Especially the Friday ones.
The Friday ones. It was your concept too.
Yes.
Ooh.
Because of the request or the people that always come to me.
And congratulations, because you see the trends and all of that, and you do a lot of philanthropic, deeds as well. I can see that you're very human at heart. And that is what informs that.
It's from, like I said, where I'm coming from. I can't forget it.
That's right.
My house, to go and sleep on my beautiful bed, I have to pass through where I used to be. Wow. So I see my family house.
Your family house.
Yes, Sister Penny, the ensemi etu jana dodona na ebona bahusana na baka say ye pa wanu sham ebisu say yemo mpaye e manifest surgery akwakoyi wa brebebre e won nsa no nti we dey say ne okase hopefully the last one Ghana fo nyina enfam paibo enter Sister Penny na ama Mcbrown echi e won surgery akwakoyi na enye say abrebia be babonten abahwehwe negative nko e won ho na aka ne mom nipa ya ade a osaye ohia paibo so a e wosa Ghana fo e bo manifest na Mcbrown aba be ye oman anywhere about national assets. Too much change. I am saying you want to ensemi or Jennifer our comments na such a match and we no me other man say be ya upload the bia nsa ebetimi aka. So what I did and so me that's a pan ya me sure. Facebook also you too much change. Macra.